What's up, everyone? It's Matt Martin with the Grass Factor, and it's springtime. I've yet to do anything to my own personal yard, so it's that time. We're in the backyard. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I did. I burned off the dormant Bermuda grass because I don't have the mower I want to scalp it yet, so I'll give you a little bit of footage of what that looked like here. And now that we've got everything cleared away decently, let's fire up the machine. Let's get down some pre-emergent. Let's get this party started. Transition zone, and it's really late in the season to be applying your first round of pre-emergent. So I'm going to be using Dithiopyr, also known as Dimension. Now, one of the big selling points of this product is that it has the potential to control weeds post-emergently. However, if we take a look at the label here, we will see in order to get that post-emergent effect, we need a rate of 2 pints per acre. 2 pints per acre is the high single use rate maximum application of Dimension. Not using that rate means you sacrifice the post-emergent activity. So keep that in mind when you go to your distributor and they recommend Dimension as having post-emergent qualities on young crabgrass. That is dependent on the 2 pint per acre rate. When you see the recommendations of methylated seed oil made on labels, it's typically done so in a percent by volume. So you'll see percent V/V. What that rate means is that you mix it according to how many gallons of spray solution you have in your tank. So if you're running it at 1% by volume, you would be running that at 1.28 ounces per gallon. If you're doing it at 0.5%, it would be half of that. For this particular case with the Dimension, I'm going to be running at 1% or 1.28 ounces per gallon. When it comes to agitating on a permagreen, it's a really easy thing to do. We put it in neutral, we crank it, and you just give it gas. That recirculates the pump. That will give us the agitation we need to thoroughly mix this herbicide to make our application. You can see in the tank the solution has turned milky white. That tells you that you have good mixing between your methylated seed oil, your pre-emergent, and the water that's in the tank. Now, we're good to make our application. Okay, so we got the application down in the back. We're going to do the same pre-emergent herbicide application in the front yard. However, we're also going to be putting down a little bit of fertilizer with it because that's cool season grass. It's It's starting to green up. Soil temperatures are there. Let's get a little fertilizer on it. Let's get it moving in the right direction too. For those of you that don't know, I live next to a waterway, and this waterway flooded this year, and it actually flooded all the way up to my house and a little bit underneath my house. So my yard has had a tough go of it. I've been underwater. I need to clean it up, but I want to get this application down. So I'm going to throw down some fertilizer and again my pre-emergent. Let's take a look at my fert. Now this is a no-name fertilizer. I made it myself. We made it a long time ago, back in June, as part of our research when we were planning out Carbonex. So this is some experimental material. It's relatively low analysis, but given what my yard's been through, I feel comfortable putting it down. Woo! It's like riding a bike. Okay, so that is my application. Got Dithiopyr down, got fertilizer on my fescue, and gearing up for this Bermuda grass to turn a little bit green so we can start working on taking it to the next level. All right, everybody, take it easy.